I'm Tom Schneider from Silica For Your Home. Silica For Your Home is a family-owned business that started as a hardware store, and we're 97 years old, so we do everything for the home. We're trying to create an environment, opening up the space, having the wow factors, the pergola for the grill area, the kitchens in the back. So when people walked in, they were very impressed and they could see everything that we had to sell. And the Slatwall fit us perfectly because with the barn board material that we were looking for, as far as I know, they're the only ones who had that for us. We weren't just going to go with a black or a regular color. The other part of it was trying to stagger the slats and trying to keep the look of it. The flexibility of Windmill is fantastic. We could put the slats wherever we wanted to, so we could design it the way we wanted it. We've sold grills for over 40 years. And generally when you have grills, you have this freestanding pegboard, ugly accessory rack that is given to you by the manufacturer. We wanted to show more accessories. The way to maximize that is to put the accessories above the grills. So now we're actually showing more accessories to the consumers. It looks better, it looks like we're in the business, we're offering more and actually using less space up. From a profitability standpoint, I think the fact that we can customize the wall, we can get more products out there, we can show customers better selection of what products we have. In today's world, when we're trying to drive footprints in the door, we're trying to give experience to people, what we're looking to do is give them great selection, kind of a fun choice of products, whether it's accessories or grills themselves. But the Slatwall gives us the flexibility to show it, display it better, not hide it, and people can shop it. So in essence, we're driving more footprints in, and it's going to be more profitable overall for us. So we think it's going to be very helpful for our profitability.